and welcome to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to give it a like. Before I move forward with this video, don't forget to check us on our other social media networks such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. Now today's video is all about website maintenance. Now what is website maintenance? Website maintenance is the process of checking to see whether your website is healthy and performing well. It's about keeping up the security updates, fresh content, encouraging traffic growth, and making sure your website visitors are happy. Website maintenance services are essential ingredient for engaging and returning your customers, thus strengthening your SEO and Google ranking. Whether your business is small or large sized, you're going to need website maintenance. But what is it? How to maintain a website? What are the major benefits? So let's explore this topic further. Think of websites as something that needs to be oiled regularly. Let's compare it with a car. Your car needs proper monthly maintenance to ensure that it will get you where you want to go. You bought it and now you must keep it well maintained and attractive, so it's always up and running. The same applies to your website. You have invested money in this creation and you have devoted precious time in content creation and portraying your business in the best light. But a website is not something that you create once and then you just wait for it to function on its own. That's not how the digital world works, at least for now. Do you know how about regularly check your car for leaks and damages? Well, website maintenance is the process of checking to see whether your website is performing well. It's about keeping up the security updates, encouraging traffic growth, making sure Google is happy. In fact, website maintenance services are essential ingredients for engaging and retaining your customers. We all know that we are well known with the difficulty when we are dealing it with the WordPress site. To ensure your website is in a healthy and relevant condition, you need to perform a regular checkups. Not once a year, not twice a year. We are talking about regular monitoring that will help you to keep up your business running smoothly and customers enjoying their user experience. Why is it important to do website maintenance? If eyes are windows to the soul, then websites are the windows to your business. When customers or search engines land on your websites, they're looking for something that will let them know you're a professional business. A professional business that's offering something of value with regular website updates and maintenance. Your business will attract and retain customers, offer useful content, and maintain good search engine rankings. Now let's analyze the most important benefits of regular servicing in more detail as a point of a customer experience. Now let's imagine for a second that you are a customer and you land on a website. On that website, you experience slow load times, spamming messages greet you every 5 seconds, and broken links are everywhere. You will probably feel annoyed and frustrated. Now imagine that you land on a professionally maintained website. You see a beautiful web design, find relevant content on the blog, and move through the website with the keys. You will feel happy and satisfied. Today, nearly 89% of businesses compete primarily on the basis of customer experience. To compare, only 36% did so in 2010. So, if it's a bright as day, regular site maintenance can lead a positive customer experience. And not only that, you'll impress your customers, but you'll also experience additional revenue. Customers will be motivated to buy your product or services because your website left a positive impression. What's more, these customers will become your promoters. They'll spread the word about your website and refer your business to their family and friends, and all free of charge. Another important stuff is SEO. Customers are not only the visitors of your website. There are other things crawling your websites, and we like to call them website crawlers. These crawlers can provide or bury your business to the ground. But what the thing with SEO and why it is so important? In a nutshell, Google analyzes your website with the help of its Google bots. These Google bots look for key bits of information that signals the Google the value of your website. Google will be analyzing your website's keyword optimizations, your site structure and organization, and site errors. For example, if a Google bot crawls your website and finds a poorly done redirects, duplicate pages, and error pages, your SEO ranking will be significantly decreased. Meaning, your website will be ranked poorly on the search engines, and your customers will have a hard time finding your website. Driving valid traffic to your website is the lifetime for your business. So, making sure everything is rightly optimized is a must. Another important stuff for the website maintenance is business reputation. Customers are on the lookout for a business that they can trust. However, poorly maintained website with many broken links, outdated content, and dead pages is a customer's repeller. They will get the impression that your business is irrelevant, old-fashioned, and insecure. So, if you want to present your business in a positive light and establish yourself as a secure and innovative company, regular upkeep is essential. Fix your broken links, produce new content, and redirect your old pages. Only by doing so, you'll succeed at making good impression and gaining customers. You'll succeed at making a good impression and gaining your customers' trust. These were some of the points of why the website maintenance is important. Now, why you should choose Quality Zone Infotech for your business website maintenance. Now, first of all, we offer you this service only at 3,999. In this competing business world, maintaining the website is as essential as creating it. In website maintenance, the developer regularly checks the areas of improvement in website. So, it improves or maintains the rank in the search engine, result page, etc. An audience expects an attractive, informative, interactive, and user-friendly e-commerce website. You need to constantly maintain the website health, which may be in the form of data encryption or upgrading your web pages through content management systems like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, or any other advanced CMS. Now, are you running a startup company and looking for the best website maintenance service providers? Quality Zone Infotech is the world's one of the top website maintenance service providers that offers you the website redesign with maintenance. But it's time to time website maintenance. Is your website poorly designed, or is it having bugs? No matter whatever issue your sites have, our team developers at Quality Zone Infotech works towards the page errors like 500 internal server error. Now, this is the most common page error which end users will see. Now, next is 401 unauthorized. The users get this error when you fail to in the login attempt or to which they don't have the access. Next is 400 bad requests. It appears when your web browser faces some issues, which means your request got corrupted. Next is 403 forbidden. The user receives this page error when it does not give login opportunities on a page, in which the access gets denied. And the last is 404 not found. The error 404 occurs when you try to access the page which does not exist. It is also called as a broken link, in which you might have moved the page or the user mistyped the URL. Now let's talk about what makes the website maintenance important. Digital marketing is the modernized way of marketing, as many audiences check for the offers in their handheld devices. A lot of new web technologies help the developers to create a lightweight, dynamic and interactive website. The audience are interested in the user-friendly website which compiling the content and attractive designs. The number of the clicks improves the website rankings in the search engine result page, is the SERP. As the client requirements keep changing, website maintenance is essential for attracting the customers and retaining them. At Quality Zone Infotech, our website maintenance services offers you with some of the benefits, which are: update your website with latest content and designs. Next is help in improving your website ranking according to the content. Another one is the usage of the advanced web technology make your website dynamic. Provides you with the robust security that prevents spamming and hacking. Websites updated according to the W3C and Google updates. There are also occasions where there is not a single page error, but the code does not run according to the user requirement. At the Quality Zone Infotech, our developers debug those page errors and ensures that the website performs according to the business requirements. We at the Quality Zone Infotech are well versed and know the exact strategy to carry out while servicing a website. Also, our years of experience in the field have made us well aware of every client's requirement and can deliver the exact output as expected. Now let's have a glance on the websites under the maintenance at Quality Zone Infotech. Lab Solutions India, Arcade Creative Design, Partition Museum, WT India Tours, Sabda Chitra, Biotica Pharma, Carification, Spectre, J. Michel Taxi Services, JMS Global, RS Brothers LCC, Exam Help Expert, LA Cunica, Tree Guinness Enterprises, Yup Treat, BS Power Electrical, Cellboy, Elite Mobile Manchester, Virgi Burger, and etc. So these were some of the websites which are handled and maintained by our experts at Quality Zone Infotech. If you want to know about our services, you can check the links below in the description box. So that is it for today, guys. Before I end this video, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe the channel. Also follow us on our other social media networks such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.